Okay, and here's where you gotta be careful in Central Park. Here I am in the middle of nowhere, and I hear this guy over here going cuckoo, shouting and blah 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 blah. Not exactly dangerous, but you know, you never know really what's going on up there. I mean, you're on top of a hill, on top of a rock, and is that a book bag I see? I think I see a book bag. We just cannot tell anymore what's going on with these book bags. Regardless, yeah, there's just a little too much movement and happiness and everything. Oh, he's really getting into it. Look at that. Yeah, dude, yeah. He's feeling it. He's feeling joy. Of course, that could be drugs. You never can tell anymore. Alrighty. Let's say goodbye to this very happy individual.